Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic types of attacking reagents. The attacking reagents are classified into three types. They are free radicals, electrophiles, and nucleophiles. What are the free radicals? Free radicals are atoms or a group of atoms having unpaired electrons. It can be denoted by putting a dot over the symbol of atom or group of atoms. Like here, hydrogen radical, chlorine radical, methyl radical, ethyl radical, bromine radical. Generally, so these are formed by the homolytic fission between the two atoms. Next comes to the electrophile. Electrophile. Electro means electron, phile means loving, electron loving species. To love the electron, definitely that should be carry the positive charge, because electron carrying the negative charge. Electrophile means positively charged species are present, sometimes neutral species are also will be present. So electrophile's exact definition is a reagent that take away an electron pair is called electrophile. It should be take away an electron pair because it is deficient. So these are also called as electron seeking species or electron loving species. These are positively charged or neutral species. But both are deficient in electrons. They are ready to accept a pair of electrons. Like positively charged species H plus, H3O plus, Cl plus, CH3 plus, NO2 plus. So neutral species AlCl3, BF3, SO3 like that. So in AlCl3, around the aluminum 6 electrons are present. It is deficient of 2 electrons. That's why it is ready to accept a pair of electron, so that it is also called as electrophile. BF3 is also like that. Around the boron 6 electrons are present. It required the 2 more electrons to complete its octet. That's why it is also treated as electron deficient species. So that electrophile means, that is take away an electron pair, that is called an electrophile. So the third one is nucleophile. Nucleophile means nucleus loving species. To love the nucleus, definitely it should be carry the negative charge generally. That means a reagent that brings an electron pair is called nucleophile. So that means it should be carry some negative charge. Sometimes the neutral species are also called as nucleophiles. That means it should be electron rich. Whichever the electron rich species are present, they are treated as nucleophiles. These are also like electrophiles, two types: negatively charged species or neutral molecules. So X minus, OH minus, Cn minus, CH3 minus, RC double bond O minus, like that. Negatively charged species are electron rich species which are ready to donate the electrons. That's why these are called nucleophiles. Neutral molecules which are having the lone pair of electrons, they are ready to donate a pair of electrons. That's why they are also treated as nucleophiles. We know that here one important point we are learned in acid base, Lewis acid base theory. Lewis acids are electron deficient. That's why they are treated as electrophiles. Lewis bases, so means they are donating a pair of electron. Donating a pair of electron means they are already electron rich species. That's why they are treated as nucleophiles. So during any organic reaction, a nucleophile attacks an electrophilic center, which is a specific atom or a part of electrophile which is electron deficient, or a electrophile is attacks a nucleophilic center which is electron rich specific atom or a part of a nucleophile. Either electrophile is attacking where the electron richness is there in the given molecule, that is we call the nucleophilic part. So the nucleophile is always attacks where electron deficiency is there. This is we commonly seen in organic chemical reactions. But anyway, whether electrophile is attacking nucleophilic part or nucleophile is attacking electrophilic part, there is a formation of bond takes place. So between these two, by attacking electrophile at a nucleophilic center or nucleophile is attacking at a electrophilic center. So therefore, here I would like to give the conclusion. So totally the three types of attacking reagents are there. One is free radical and another one is electrophile, third one is nucleophile.